In this video, I'll be showing you how to download a Authenticator app on your phone to use with MyDigitalOffice. You will first need to download an Authenticator app on your phone. For this example, we'll be using an iPhone. First, click on the App Store, which I've highlighted with a red square. Once you're inside the App Store, click on the search button, which I've also highlighted. MyDigitalOffice recommends Google Authenticator. However, if you're already using an Authenticator app, you can just use that one. Begin typing a Google Authenticator in. It'll eventually autocomplete once you have enough characters in the search box. Then click on the word. Now click on Get to download the application. Once downloaded, you can hit Open or get to it from your home screen. Now use the credentials you received in your MyDigitalOffice welcome email to log in for the first time. This email will include your work email as your username and a temporary password generated by the system. Next, you'll need to set up a new password. Rules for creating a password will be shown below as you type in your memorable password. Then type that same password in the box below. Now press Send to save your password. And now open Google Authenticator and choose to sync this with a personal or business email account. That way, if you ever lose your phone or get a new one, you'll be able to receive codes again. Click Add a code from the phone screen. The Authenticator app will then change to a camera so you're able to scan the QR code that's on the screen. Line up the green square with the QR code and a code will show up within the app. Now type in the code that shows up in your Authenticator app on your phone in the first box on your browser. You can leave the second one empty because it is optional. Once complete, hit Sign In. Your account is now successfully set up. From now on, when you log in, you'll be requested to type in a code after your password. To get that code, go to your Google Authenticator and type it in, and you'll be brought to the same page. If you have any questions, please email us at support@mdodocs.com. Thank you.